Hi friends, this is Rocky's here. I'm here to solve the Nerdle of the day for July 10th, 2025. So here, the Nerdle is the math-based Wordle which can use the numbers and the math operations where it can solve an equation which can give out most blue or red. So I'm going to type the first equation. It will go like this. So let me write 30 plus 48 equals 78. Only 4 is in the solution and equals at the right spot. So 3, 7, 8, and 0 is not in the solution. So I'm going to write an equal sign which is at the 6th spot. So 4 is in the solution. So it could be either first, second, third, fifth, seventh, or eighth. So I'm going to write that. So 4 is in the solution. Could be either 1 or 2, 5, 6, 9, or minus, multiply, or divide. So I'm going to write like that. So 41 minus 25 equals 16. Let's write 41 minus 25 equals 16. Let's try that. 1 and 5 is in the solution. So 4 is still at the wrong spot. So I'm going to remove the first spot. So 1 could be either first, the third, the fifth. Okay, so the fifth could, or the seventh or eighth spot. But number 5 could be either first, second, could be either fourth, seventh, or eighth spot. So I'm going to use, so plus and minus is not in the solution. So I'm going to use a division sign. I don't know. So I'm going to write down. So I'm going to write down again. So I'm going to write 14 times 14 times. Hold on a bit. So I'm going to remove 2. So 6. Also remove 2. Some plus and minus are only leaving out multiply or divide. So I'm going to write 4, 1, 5, and 5. But 9 could be either somewhere. And multiply and divide. So I'm going to write 14 divided multiplied by 5. I want to write again, so 5 times by 4. Right, times by 5 times by 4 equal 20 divided by 5. 5 times 4 divided by 5. So I'm going to write like that. So I'm going to write again. So write 20. Nope. 5 times 4 divided by 5 equals 4. 5 times 4 divided by 5 equals 4. Alright, so multiply is at the right spot. So I'm going to think of it. So 4 is at the wrong spot. 5 is also the wrong spot too. So I'm going to put 5 at the third spot here. So which times with this and then also times again. So okay, that's a cool thing like that. So 1 times, I'm going to write 1 times, let's put in here. So 1 times 5. and then times by 9 equals 45. Let me write that. 1 times 5 times 9 equals 45. Let me try that. Okay, so today's a bit easy today for me, so I used the times twice to solve it for today's Nerdle of the day. Alright, that is it for me. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those below. As always, thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye.